It is time for your favorite Android podcast from the crew of blindandroidusers.com. Kick back, relax, and enjoy another fine episode from these Google fanboys and gals as they navigate Android from a blindness perspective. And now, here are your hosts.
Hello and welcome to episode 60 of the Blind Android Users Podcast. I am Ed Green and I'm joined this week by my co-hosts Warren Carr, Austin Pinto, Fee Dunn and Doug Cameron. And we're coming to you on Saturday, the 29th of January 2022. It's a busy show this week. We have our usual announcements section from Austin. In Android Basics, we take a dive into the network and internet settings in Android settings. In our Spotlight section this week, we have an interview with Charles from ARX, who talks about their new exciting headset. Our app of the week this week is brought to us by Warren, and that's the highly versatile Universal Copy app. And we close this week with Warren's highlights from Talkback. How are we all doing, everyone? Are we all well? Doug?
Yeah, I'm not too bad. Keeping busy, staying in trouble. So, life's good.
Like to hear it. Fee?
Yeah, not bad. We even saw some sunshine earlier today, so that was nice. The days are very gradually getting longer. This is all good.
Austin?
Mumbai is flowing in the reverse direction, unfortunately. This week we hit 10 degrees for the first time. It was very cold. And the new technologies that I got myself, a Samsung Galaxy Watch 4, the first 2-3 days I felt like throwing it out of the window because I could not double swipe and it could not accept some things and it was really bad. Then I installed a third-party TTS. That is a tip. If you have a ware-os device and it is not responsive, install a third-party TTS and it'll work fantastic.
Well, I'm glad you got it up and running. Warren?
Would Fee send some of that sunshine out here? I'm stuck in what we call a pea soup. This time of year in the state of Washington, we have this type of weather. It goes for weeks without seeing the sun, and this is typical of those days, and I'm stuck in that pea soup. Other than that, though, it kind of just keeps the temp, though, in the same temperature because we've been like 27, 30, 32, 27, 30, 32, and that's what we got. But I'm happy because we're not trapped like in, 5 degrees or 10 degrees and not changing. So it's a beautiful pea soup. You want some of that soup? I'll send you some of that soup.
No, thank you.
I got enough of that soup here. I don't want it anymore.
I'll take the sunshine from Fee instead.
No, it's gone now. It went this afternoon. It went grey again. So it was very, very brief. It was teasing, basically.
I've got COVID, so I'm not seeing any weather because we're self-isolating. Austin, what announcements have we got this week?
So this week, all the announcements, there is one announcement with the Voxmate webinar that we posted some weeks about that we were hosting. They have made the recording available on YouTube on the Voxmate channel. For those of you who have missed the webinar live, they can listen to the recording. We'll have the links in the show notes. The next announcement is if you have the ware-os, then a very frequent contributor, Gerry Jicha, has made a guide on how to install third-party TTS and other apps using wireless ADB and other things on ware-os because they cannot be connected to the PC using a wire. So you need to check out those videos. Those videos are on our YouTube channel. There is also a text guide if you want to follow text instructions. So that is from the announcement section.
Thanks very much, Austin.